Combine like terms. This is a digital lesson, and this one is for 6th graders. There's also a different version for 7th graders that includes negative numbers. So the lesson starts with students are going to move these boxes into the correct columns to show like terms. So for example, here they're going to click and hold on the edge. 9x is a like term to 4x. 13b would go into the B column, 5b, and so on. So they're going to put all of these into the correct columns. The next slide, students are going to use the draw line tool, and they're going to show the solution when they combine like terms. So you want to have them come up here to the line tool. You're going to select a line. Just select the one that says line, and you'll get a little plus sign. So wherever they want that plus sign, where the line starts, they can just click right there. They're going to get a line here. They can change the color. If they want to make it red, they can make it red. And they can choose the thickness, so they can make it a thicker line if they want. So here we have 4y minus 2y plus 7. We're going to combine like terms, and we get 2y plus 7. So they're just going to click on this little blue circle at the end here, click and hold, and then they can move it into place. And they're going to do the same thing with all of these expressions. The next slide, they're going to just type in the solution when they combine like terms. They need to be careful. For example, on this one is commonly missed in my classroom. They can only combine 8a and negative 4a. They cannot do anything with the 4b. So they have to be a little careful, make sure they're like terms. The next slide, if you haven't taught distributive property yet, you could teach it here, or you could do this lesson after you've taught distributive property. That's up to you. But they're just going to distribute the number outside the parentheses to each term in the parentheses. So this would be 3x plus 6, and so on. Now the next one, they're going to distribute first and then combine like terms. So here, order of operations, they can't add before they multiply. So they have to distribute first. They're going to find their solution, and they're just going to move it next to its equivalent. So here we would get 6x plus, and then 12 plus 4 is 16. So we get 6x plus 16. So again, they click and hold on the edge, move that into place. Now down here we have 6x plus 12 plus another x, so that's going to be 7x plus 12, and so on. They're going to move all of those into place. And then they get a little tough one here at the end. Again, they have to remember order of operations. They're going to multiply, so they have to distribute first and then combine like terms. So that is the end of the lesson. Combining like terms, digital lesson for 6th grade.